Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is graph f of x, and you can see that I've made my two charts based on the domains, and now I'm just going to calculate the y values. 2 minus 1 squared is just going to be 2 minus 1, which is 1. 2 minus 0 squared is just going to be 2. And then this is 2 minus 1, which is going to be 1. So I have a parabola, and I'm going to plot those points. So I have 1, 1, I have 0, 2, and I have negative 1, 1. And so I should be able to recognize that this is going to be an upside down parabola. And you could definitely plot more points so that you have a more accurate graph. And then on this one, the equation is just y equals x. So when I plug in 1, I get 1. When I plug in 2, I get 2. Plug in 3, I get 3. So I have 1, 1, which is an open circle, but this one right here is already closed, so I don't have to worry about it. 2, 2, 3, 3, and then it's just going to be a linear equation going on from there. So this is the graph of f of x. I'm going to use a different color, and now I'm going to graph g of x, which says to take the f of x and just move it up 2. So I'm just going to move that up 2, move this point up 2, move this point up 2, and then go from here. Hey, there's Lester. And then move that point up 2, move this one up 2, and then there we go, and that's going to be g of x. So that's part A. B says to write an equation to represent g of x. So g of x is now this same function just moved up 2. So when I combine like terms, and if I wanted to rewrite it, I could go negative x squared plus 4. And here is that picture. I'm good. And the domain did not change because we did not move left or right. All we did was move it up. And so here's our original function, and I want to add 2 to it. So I just simply have x plus 2 for x is greater than 1.